This is PDF extraction on fine tuning, and first of all we need to install the dependencies where transformers for using pre-trained transformers model like distribute and accelerate help with efficient training and distributed setups, and whereas datasets library for loading and processing database easily. Okay, then we need to import OS, NumPy as NP, import Torch, where OS is for interacting with the operating system, and NumPy as NP is used for the numerical operations, and Torch is used for deep learning models, and load database dataset to load the datasets, and trainer and training agreements to simplify training loops, and metrics from sklearn to evaluate model performance, and this os.environ is used for the weights, and biases is often used for experiment tracking, and here it is disabled so training won't try to log data to wander services, and this is for the load dataset where the loads the emotion dataset from the Hugging Face Hub, and this database contains text samples which labeled with one of six emotions, and this dataset is automatically split into trains, validations, and test sets, and in this will load set tokenizer for distributed model, and tokenizer converts raw text into tokens, and here the model distribute for sequence classification is used to load the distribute model pre-trained on general data, and it also adjusts the output layer for to have six classes, and here the train dataset trains validation test, and train dataset used for training, and this test dataset used for final testing, and this validation used for during training. And here the import transformers print transformers version is used to the print the versions of the transformers library installed using for debugging, and here upgrade transformers this upgrades transformers library to the latest version, and it is also important to get newest features, bug fixes, and improvements. This is a training of arg equal training argument. This creates an argument object which configures the training procedure, and parameter explanation we can see output dir directly to save model checkpoints and final models, and hum train the model for three full phases, and per device train batch 16 batch size of 16 example GPU or CPU. Okay, and learning rate set the size for the optimizer, and logging dir directly to save logs, and this logging step is for a log training every step, and this is for the create the trainer. In this trainer initializes a trainer class which wraps training and evaluation in a easy to use API, and this model equal to model is a pre-trained model. If you want to fine tune that, and aux training equal aux the training argument defined here, and the train dataset use it for training, and tokenizer corresponding to the model. And here from transformers we need to import a bird for sequence classification. This loads a pre-trained bird based unseasoned models specifically for the sequence classification. And from transformers we need to import trainer and pip install PyPDF. This installs the PyPDF library, which allows us to open and read the PDF files. And here from Google.colab import files, we need in this the files which allow to upload files from the computer to Colab, and this is the file I have uploaded. And this print uploaded dot case prints the names of the uploaded files, usually just one file. Okay, and see, these are the links which are in the file I have uploaded. This is the text in that, and if we want to change, we can change the file. The file name sponsored programs, so it's been uploading. Next we need to print uploaded keys, and from Google Colab to Google Drive. Yeah, uh, the file sponsored program file has been uploaded. Now we can check the text in that fruits vegetable link, and this is the text contained in the file. And see, we can see a subsidy ceiling, and so eligibilities and biofertilizers, and this is the file name government sponsored subsidies schemes, and that is a national project on organic farming. This is the text contained in the file.